everyone, myself Vaibhavi. Welcome to my channel Beginner to Developer. In the previous video, we have seen that what are nested if statements. The link is given in the description below. Please watch it before this video. So today's session is about what are if-else if ladder and how can we use those statements in C, C++, Java, Python as well as C# language. So let's start today's session. This is a C program which will demonstrate this if-else if ladder statements. So this is a syntax for if-else if ladder statements. If is a keyword and this is a condition. Initially it checks this condition. If this condition is satisfied means then these statements will be executed. If this condition is not satisfied means then it will go for the next condition. That is else if it will check whether this condition is satisfied or not. If it is satisfied means then these statements will be executed. Otherwise it will go for the next condition. That is this condition will be executed and if this is satisfied means then these statements will be printed on the output screen. Otherwise if none of these conditions are satisfied means then this else has to be executed. That means these statements will be printed on the output screen if none of these conditions are satisfied. Let's see a programming example. Here marks is a variable which is initialized with the value 33. 33. Now it will check whether if marks is equal to 33, whether 33 is greater than 75. No, so this message will not be printed on the output screen. Next it will go for the next case, that is else if whether marks is greater than 65, that is 33 is greater than 65. No, this condition also returns false. Therefore this message will not be printed on the output screen. Next it will check for this whether marks is greater than 55. No, 33 is not greater than 55. So it will not be printed on the output screen. So when none of these conditions are satisfied, it will go for the else statement and then it will print this fourth class on the output screen. Let's see the output. Yes, fourth class is printed on the output screen. That means none of these conditions are satisfied. Therefore this else statement is printed on the screen. Let's see one more example. That is the value is 66. Now we'll run this program. Yes, it is printed as second class. That means this message is printed on the screen because it will check whether marks, that is 66, is greater than 75 or not. This is false. Therefore, this message will not be printed on the output screen. Next, it will go for this condition, whether 66 is greater than 65. Yes, so this message will be printed on the output screen. We can go for this also because this condition also satisfies because 66 is greater than 55 also, but this message will not be printed on the screen because once it gets the output and it prints the value, it will not check for next statements. So whenever if this condition, let's see one more output and I will explain it clearly. 83. Now 83 is I have taken the input as 83. Now 83 is greater than 75. Therefore this message is printed on the output screen, but it is greater than 65 also, it is greater than 55 also. Even these conditions satisfies the value, but only this message is printed on the output screen because once it satisfies the condition, it will not check for other conditions. So it will come out of this particular block and it will end the execution. So this is about if-else if ladder in C language. Thank you all.